Okay, so right now, after you learned how actually the real hackers is bypassing all of the Google phishing email protection. Right now, I will show you how we can bypass the Google Safe Browsing protection by using the advantage of the subdomains redirection. So right now, I will just click on the domains right here and click on the subdomains, and as you can see, this is the subdomains that we have. So right now I will do the following. I will make this subdomain redirect any request going to it to another hyperlink. Okay, so the hyperlink actually will be trusted to all of the people at first, and after they actually click on this hyperlink, they will be redirected to another phishing link, of course. So right now I will click on redirect this one, and right here I will select Facebook subdomain, and I will right here insert what is the redirected URL that I want. So at first I will generate the redirect hyperlink. So of course I am going to back to my hacking server right here, and I am going to start and generate our phishing hyperlink right here. So I will select the first option, and I will select, for example, option 13 for the Facebook, and also I will select the option number 3, the Cloudflare, and I will just wait until the tool is generating for us different phishing hyperlinks. Okay, so let's take any one of these. So for example, I will take this one, and I will back right here, but I have you watch out the protocol. Okay, so I have to watch out this one. So it's HTTPS, and this is the domain address. So I will click create. Okay, so right now let's try using this subdomain, okay, our malicious subdomain, if in the browser, and see what is going to happen. Okay, so right now I'm going to have to copy our subdomain right here and open a new private window and try this one, and as you can see we'll be redirected to our phishing page right here. So let's actually insert anything. Okay, 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 so let's continue with any password and click login. And as you can see, we will be redirected to the two-factor authentication. But if we come back to our hacking server right here, we will receive the credentials from this person, and of course we will try to go to Google and try to log in. To go to original Facebook website and try to log in by using these credentials. And after we use this, actually we will catch also from the victim, we will catch the one-time password as well. Okay, and after that we will enter the one-time password inside our web page, and of course Facebook will allow us to open the account without any suspicious feeling from our victim, because the victim will be actually the one who is allowing us to enter the account. Okay, so this is actually what is happening in the big phishing campaigns that happening every day to a lot of people, millions of people actually. Millions of account has been compromised and hacked every day by using these hacking scenarios. Okay, so see you in the next videos.